What's up, guys? Jeremy Corus here again. I am going to be doing something a little different today. Well, maybe not different. Maybe a lot of people have caught on to this, but I don't care. I'm going to do it anyway because it's going to be fun. So I'm headed out to East Lansing today to Michigan State University. We are going to be, I mean, it's just a really cool area to be in. A lot of cool scenic stuff. It is a college town, so there's obviously some artsy stuff out there. Pretty cool spot to shoot some photos, which is what we're going to be doing today. I'm meeting up with a couple of other people. So basically what I want to be talking about today is style. I think it's really important to have your own distinct, unique style. It took me a long time to develop my specific style of editing and post-production, and even you know, what I'm doing with the camera when I'm out in the field. But I think really when you're out in the field, you tend to do the same things. I mean, everyone has their own distinct eye. Whether or not your post-production changes or doesn't change, I think a lot of your same style can be, you know, in camera, and then your post-production stuff is what really makes you stand out. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to have a couple guys roll with other photographers, and we're going to have, I think, maybe one or two people on camera. We're going to see what we find out there, kind of improvise it as we go along. Then we'll show the after results of maybe, you know, three of us take the same picture, and then we each have our style, and we'll see how, you know, compare and contrast the results afterward. We'll look at it in context on our Instagram pages, each of us, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that, I think it's just, again, I think it's a very important thing to have your own style and to make your, I mean, you want everything to be as cohesive as possible. When somebody comes on that Instagram page, they need to know what to expect, otherwise you're not going to get the follows, you're not going to get the likes. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. Even when I go to vastly different maybe types of photographs, whether I have one that's urban themed and one or maybe on a beach, my editing style, my post-production is still very similar within those. Obviously they're going to be a little different because of the difference in setting, but it's very important to have your unique aesthetic to your, not only your page, but I think just as a photographer. And that's really helped me even after, you know, nailing down that post-production has really helped me in the field. So we're going to be meeting up with a couple other guys, and we will see you there. But
well, we got some fun then.
Yeah,
it'll be fun.
We got some. So campus is that way. Maybe we'll go over there. See, there's two things you can count on in Michigan, and it's shitty weather.
Number one.
And construction.
Number two.
That's it. Alright, so we got rained out. I was talking about how terrible the weather is a lot of the time, and then promptly we got rained out. So I was going to come back today and maybe, you know, get back out there in East Lansing and try to get some more stuff and got rained out again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take what we got and I'm going to throw the results up on your screen here. And we're going to have to get back out there at another time and kind of more expound on what we already started. So sorry about that, but there's really nothing I can do about the weather, as you can see. Pretty bad. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will be doing a part 2 of this video. Obviously, I think it's it's a cool topic, and it's going to be cool to compare and contrast results between photographers and you know, the different styles that you can use, and you know, almost have the exact same photo, but exactly how much your style really matters. So I'm gonna go finish editing this, and hopefully we get some good weather eventually, and I can try to tell you guys more about this, but unfortunately it's been rained out.